Welcome to DevTech 101, aka Black Mantis. I discuss information technology, also known as IT. And in this video, I'm going to talk about this new touchscreen, the external monitor touchscreen that I got. It's 15.6 inch screen, 1080p FHD. And I bought this off of Amazon. It was around about $169. I decided to give it a try because when I'm on the road and moving around and I like to have my laptop with me, sometimes I need that secondary screen so that I can see. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. I'm not going to waste your time here, but let's check this out. So it's my first time opening up the box. So I'm going to go ahead and get this open. Now, it reminds me a little bit of how the Apple monitors used to be. Or how the Apple monitors, the Apple computers come inside the box. But let's see, we're gonna go ahead and get this off of here. First sticker, and then my second sticker here. Yeah, just like opening up a MacBook box in a sense. All right, let's see what we got. First open here. I haven't opened this yet, so this is definitely new piece for me here. Oh, sweet. So we got the manual coming in here, so we can definitely see this. Definitely want to read that. Don't want to lose the manual. Let's set that aside. Says we got any kind of problems, we can definitely reach this number here, so that's good. And then too, I got this other screen thing right here. Let's see what all kind of components we got inside the box. So it looks like we got a USB-C to USB-C cable. This supports both power and display, as you can see right here on the sticker itself. Set that aside. Then I got a USB touch cable, touch signal to HDMI connection cable. This is basically a standard USB, and then it's got the USB-C there, so we can plug that directly into the computer itself. Then you got some more cables over here too, and this one right here is my other USB power cable. Display not supported here, and then here's my other HDMI cable. Display need the extra power cable right here. And last but not least, looks like you do have to plug this up as well into the wall. Now, when I was looking at the information online, I thought I could just definitely connect it. I mean, if you want more power singly to the device itself, you can plug this in the wall. If not, you should be able to power it through the display that's there. So let's take a look at the bigger picture here, and let's look at this carrying case. The carrying case is like pretty cool. So if I was to basically take my MacBook itself, you can see it can get the whole service like a MacBook case, I guess. So I'll put this aside, and looks like another little sleeve right here. And you know what? Now that I think about it, and I just thought about this, just what if my MacBook would fit right up in here? Let's see. Open this up. I think it might just fit, you all. Oh yeah. Oh, sweet. So it's my MacBook Pro that I have here. And I can basically carry my MacBook just like this here. Look at that. Nice case. So let's go ahead and get into what we came here for. And that is the actual monitor itself. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. This is a nice case. I'm still surprised about this. All right. Dun, dun, dun. Not bad at all. Look at this. Look how thin this is. This is super thin. It's got the user guide on the front. Go ahead and open this up. I'm about to have a lot of fun with this. So this is the first time me having one of these. I've never purchased a secondary display for a laptop before, so this is my first one. Thought I'd give it a try and try something new. Plus, it will help out a lot with the videos and stuff that I be creating, because I definitely want to do a little bit more tutorial type videos. Get rid of that. All right, user guide. Got all the useful information there if you need to definitely see any of that. So that's good. So we got all this here. Put that aside. All right, let's look at the screen. Let's see what we got. Look at this. Look at this right here. Sweet. Nice. And then if we look on the side here, we got our HDMI port right there on the left. And then you have your USB-C display ports on the side. There's nothing on the top part. Let's look here. Don't want to get anything on the screen. All right, looks like we got a headphone jack right there. Menu button. Brightness up and down, including the volume, and then the power button. It's got like a little bit of lock mechanism here on the back side. And if you want to fixate this to like a monitor mount, you can. So this right here is it. Let's see here. Let's see. All right. So they said that you cannot plug this into the front part. If you have a MacBook Studio or Mac Studio, you cannot plug this into the front of the Mac Studio. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna look for my support cable here. And if you have a MacBook Pro, this will basically go onto any of the side ports, okay? And the side ports. Now, if it's a MacBook, see right here, you can plug it into the sides. But since I have a Mac Studio, I can plug it into that device there. So let me put this aside here, because I hope I don't have to carry all these cables around with me. But let's see what we got, people. Super excited. All right. So let's go ahead and plug this here on the other side. All right. And then I'm going to pull up my MacBook Pro here. Let's see, let me open up my MacBook Pro. See if I can get a little action here. Waiting for signal. All right, so let's see if this will even pop up here. I'm gonna do let's do this here. Since we like to look up a lot of cyber stuff, let's see if this right here would work here. Oh yeah, look at that. Sweet. This is nice, you all. I really like this other screen. Let's see here. Let's pull up like a test PDF site. Let's go to like Adobe PDF sample so you all can see the screen here. Let's do this. All right. Let's see here. We're gonna do this. Let's open up a guest profile here. All right, man, this is not bad at all, you all. Now the touching, I'm gonna have to calibrate the touching part of it, but let's look at the PDF here. I'm just putting up a test PDF site because I want you all to kind of like see how like it will basically just show up here, but you can look, you can see how well this screen is here. And this is coming off my MacBook screen here, but look at this. Look at this. And I'm gonna show you where I got this from. just how this is. Like, this is so super neat. You can zoom in and out. Look at that. You all can read this clearly on the screen. This is going to be perfect for the videos, y'all. This is going to be like so perfect. I'm going to be using it during the tech tutorials. I can finally show you all full screen. I literally just bought this off of Amazon. I'm going to put it up right. I showed you all this because I wanted you to see the bag that came with it. You saw the box. You saw the carrying case. This carrying case is almost like a real smooth cloth-like material. If you got a MacBook Air or a MacBook Pro that's maybe like a 13-inch, you can fit that inside of here as well as the screen. The only thing I would say is if you have this in here, I may cut or may get like some other little pieces of something I can put on top of the screen that I can probably clamp on, so that way I don't damage the touch screen. That would be the only other thing that I would do differently right here on this. So definitely shout out in the comments below. Let me know what you all think. Like, listen, subscribe. DevTech 101, aka. So look forward to bringing more content to you all soon. Stay sharp, stay secure. Subscribe for more tech with purpose. Only on DevTech 101.